So this is my scanner without the printer. So I just pulled out the guts. Cord's gonna fall. Pulled out the guts. Taped them all together. On the back here is the electronics from the print head. They serve no purpose but as to be plugged in because it doesn't work without them plugged in. So it has to have the circuit. So I taped that on. This is the front panel. This is the LED. It doesn't really do anything. I just kept it. Power coming from a 120 volts. I think it takes it down to 12 and 5 volts. And the USB port to connect to the computer. So if let's see which way. Yeah, this will work. So I turn this around. I plug in the scanner head. Trying to do this one-handed. Okay, so then I can plug in the power. Again, one-handed tough. Okay, so scanner's initializing. And it displays error because it is out of ink, so it doesn't. It's like this, but it scans without the printer head board. The whole thing would flash and it wouldn't show up on the computer. So then I take the USB cable and I plug it in. And that is the low ink and no paper. The no paper because there's no sensor. So go over here to Xubuntu and Xsane. Scanning for devices. Ironic scanning for scanners. And so if let's see, let's put in a random piece of paper. So lift it up, place it in there, and so I can hit acquire preview. Kicks on. You get a preview. Also, if you're using Linux, Xsane is amazing. Very full-featured scanning utility. And so I can then drag it to there, and then drag it to there. And so then I can tell it what DPI I want it to be. I'll leave it at 600. It's fun. This will be a 40 megabyte PNG. Let's name it something. And tell it to scan. This will take a little bit, but it won't be horrible. It's not a huge image. And it's only scanning that area that I told it to select. So that's working away. These were to drive the motors to move the head back and forth and all that. You get a cool little light there. And that's just connected to there. This is the sensor to tell it what position like if it was feeding paper at the moment or not. Some capacitors, 12 and 4 volt line, and we're done. And so it saves it. So then we can go into GIMP if we felt like it. And then File, Open, Pictures. Oh yeah, I cleared out all the other ones I forgot. And you've got your scan, and I can zoom in. And then you get pixelated. No! And then Control and scroll, if I can manage this. Eee. So, yeah, actually I can take the top off, although it's not very exciting. So, that control panel is from here. You've got that ribbon. It's got the initializer, but I wonder if it'll scan without something in there. Yeah. So, that is my little current project. And I think that'll be it.